Follow Route 33 east all the way to the end, and you'll hit the Chesapeake. But just before the road runs out, there's something most people don't even realize is here. This is the Deltaville Maritime Museum, and it's not just a museum. This is where the Chesapeake story is still being built. Most people think of history as something that's finished, but here, it never really stopped. Step inside the boat shop, and you'll see how it was done. The tools, the wood, the way they build. It hasn't changed much in a long time. And this isn't just for display. They still teach it here. Every year, people come here and build real wooden boats from scratch. And the boats themselves, these aren't replicas. This is the Chesapeake deadrise. The same kind of boat that worked these waters for generations. It even goes back further than that. This place connects to the earliest exploration of the Chesapeake, to Captain John Smith and the routes that first mapped these waters. Step inside the museum, and it keeps going. Detailed ship models, engines from another era, pieces of history most people never get to see up close. Outside, you start to understand how it all worked, how boats were hauled out of the water, how oysters were harvested, how people made a living right here on the bay. And you're not separated from it. You're right on the Chesapeake. You can launch here. You can paddle out. You can step straight into the same water that built all of this. And this place isn't just history. There's music here, events, people gathering on the waterfront. It's still part of the community. And then you walk the trails, and things start to slow down. It's not just about the boats out here. These pieces, they make you stop for a second, look a little closer. Because the Chesapeake isn't just something people worked on, it's something they were connected to. And honestly, it makes sense this place is right here, at the end of Route 33 East, where the land gives out and the bay takes over. If you fish these waters, or you've ever just stood here and watched the sun come up, this place hits different. Route 33 East might end here, but the story of the Chesapeake doesn't. If the water remembers it, we'll tell it. Subscribe to River Realm Life for more.